Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best storage ottoman is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture you can add to your home, offering a clever blend of hidden storage and comfortable seating, making it an indispensable item for decluttering and enhancing the functionality of any room, from the living room to the bedroom, and even hallways, all while providing a stylish accent that complements your existing decor. Number 5. SONGMICS Velvet Storage Ottoman ULSF 227W01. Experience chic velvet and elegant tufting that adds a stylish touch to any room. Its double-layer fabric and high-resilience foam provide lasting comfort for your relaxation. Crafted with solid MDF panels, this ottoman is built to last. It reliably supports up to 660 pounds, making it perfect for sitting or storing items for years to come. Enjoy a generous 11-gallon capacity in a compact 15 by 15 by 15 inch size. It's ideal for neatly organizing clothes, books, and magazines. Setting it up is a breeze thanks to its unique folding design. When not in use, it folds flat effortlessly, offering a practical, space-saving solution. This ottoman is more than just storage or a footstool. It can even function as a coffee table. Place it in any corner of your living room, bedroom, or hallway. What we like? This option offers a luxurious velvet finish and exceptional comfort with its high-resilience foam. It's built to last with a robust 660 pounds weight capacity. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance and durability to your living room or bedroom, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? The ottoman is sturdy and holds a good amount of storage. It's a great addition to my living room, providing extra seating and a place to store blankets. The fabric is durable and easy to clean. Number 4. SONGMICS Small Storage Ottoman with Legs. Experience exceptional quality with this ottoman. Crafted from durable linen look fabric and reinforced MDF panels, it's built to last and support up to 660 pounds. Sink into comfort with its high-density foam padding. The soft, breathable fabric ensures a pleasant experience every time you rest your feet. This versatile piece offers a generous 10-gallon storage capacity within its compact frame. It's perfect for keeping your living space tidy. Designed with 4 sturdy feet, it stays elevated and stable. The non-slip pads protect your floors while adding to its overall stability. Setting it up is a breeze, just unfold and insert the base. When not in use, it conveniently folds flat to save space. Use it as a footrest, extra seating, or even a coffee table. Its adaptability makes it a perfect addition to any room. What we like? Featuring a refined linen look fabric and reinforced lid with metal corner guards, this ottoman is both stylish and sturdy. The added plastic feet protect your floors and enhance stability. If you prioritize a sophisticated aesthetic with enhanced durability and floor protection, this one is for you. What people say? The ottoman is sturdy and holds a lot of stuff. It's a great size for a small living room and provides extra seating. The storage compartment is deep and can fit blankets, pillows, and games. Number 3. SONGMICS Foldable Storage Ottoman ULSF 028G02. Experience chic style and lasting comfort with its elegant tufted design and high-resilience foam. This piece adds a stylish touch to any room while providing a comfortable place to relax. Built with sturdy MDF panels, it offers dependable support for sitting or storage. You can rely on its robust construction for years to come. Discover generous storage with its 6-gallon capacity, perfect for organizing clothes, books, and magazines. Keep your space tidy and clutter-free effortlessly. Setting it up is a breeze, taking only seconds with the included bottom panel. When not in use, it easily folds flat for convenient storage. This versatile piece serves as a storage box, footstool, or even a coffee table. It effortlessly adapts to your living room, bedroom, or dorm. What we like? This compact cube offers a neat 6-gallon storage solution and a 286 pounds weight capacity, perfect for smaller spaces. Its easy setup and foldability make it incredibly practical. If you need a versatile, space-saving storage option for a dorm room or a smaller apartment, this is an excellent fit. What people say? The Storage Ottoman Cube is a great addition to my living room, providing ample space to store blankets and pillows. I love the design of this ottoman. It's sleek and modern, and the faux leather material is surprisingly durable. The cube is sturdy and can easily support the weight of 2 adults, making it a versatile piece of furniture. Number 2. SONGMICS Foldable Storage Ottoman ULSF 028W01. Experience chic style and lasting comfort with its elegant tufting and double-layer fabric. The high-resilience foam provides a plush seating experience. Crafted from sturdy MDF panels, it offers dependable support for sitting or storage. This piece is built to last for years to come. This cube offers generous storage, perfect for organizing clothes, books, and magazines. Keep your space tidy with its 6-gallon capacity. Setting it up is a breeze, taking just seconds with the included bottom panel. When not in use, it easily folds flat for convenient storage. It serves perfectly as a storage box, footstool, or even a coffee table. This versatile piece fits seamlessly into any living room, bedroom, or dorm. What we like? This ottoman provides a clean, cream white aesthetic with a comfortable linen look surface and a 6-gallon storage capacity. It's easy to set up and fold away, making it a practical addition to any room. If you love a bright, neutral look and need a functional storage piece for your bedroom or living area, consider this option. What people say. The Storage Ottoman Cube is a great addition to my living room, providing extra seating and storage space. It's sturdy and well-made, holding up to 200 pounds. The faux leather is easy to clean and looks great. Number 1. SONGMICS MAZIE Collection Folding Storage Ottoman ULSF 102G02. Setting up the storage ottoman is a breeze. Simply insert the bottom panel for quick assembly. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage under your bed or in a closet. This ottoman offers a generous 8-gallon capacity. It's perfect for neatly organizing your clothes, books, and magazines, helping you declutter your space. Constructed with durable MDF panels, it provides robust support. You can rely on it for sitting or storing items for years to come, with a weight capacity of up to 286 pounds. Its chic linen look surface and elegant tufting add a stylish touch to any room. The double-layer fabric and high-resilience foam ensure lasting comfort for your relaxation. This versatile piece can be used for storage, as a footrest, or even as a coffee table. It's a perfect addition to your living room, bedroom, or dorm room. What we like? With its slightly larger rectangular shape and an 8-gallon capacity, this ottoman offers more storage space and a unique profile. It boasts quick assembly and a durable build. If you're looking for a bit more room to store items and a design that stands out slightly from a standard cube, this is a great pick. What people say. The storage ottoman is a great addition to my living room, providing ample space to store blankets and pillows. It's sturdy and well-made, with a comfortable padded top that can be used as a footrest or extra seating. The cube design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly with my decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.